Welcome back, dear Dinka learners. Let us learn 30 Dinka words. 1. Chi bak. Chi bak is like hello or how are you? It's a greeting for one person. Chue bak. Chue bak or chue bak is greeting for many people. Eben. Eben means all. Begam. Begam. Agree. Kwon. Kwon or kon. Help. Achirioch. Achirioch. Achirioch means afraid. Begam. Begam mean agree or accept it. Nyal, nyal, above, up, pin, pin, pin mean down or ground. Ran, ran mean person. Jeng, jeng mean Dinka people. Pew, pew, water. Rin, rin, name. Ring, ring, meat. Ring can also be a name of a male Dinka person. Wet, wet, word or topic. Ruan, ruan, age or year. Lay, lie, lan mean animal. Matar, matar, matar mean airport. Matar, airport. Wave, wave mean money or greech. Munch or munch, much mean man or husband. Tick, ting, tick, ting, woman or wife. Nya, girl. Man, mother. Man, son or child. Man. Dog, boy. Buy, buy mean home or country. Buy. Duk wetnum, duk wetnum. Duk wetnum mean reply or answer. Duk wetnum. Bitem, bitem. Bitem mean he aimed or he tried to try. Batim, try. Cholatem, let me try. Duk tin, duktin or duktin, or again or come back. Num, num mean at. Duph mean a teacher. In a can, the end by Duph Tongjang, William Majak. For example, Duph mean teacher. What I mean here by Duph Tongjang mean uh, Dinka teacher. Please follow, share, and like. Also go to YouTube. The name of our YouTube channel is called Dinka Malwal Academia. Go there, subscribe, and also watch the video. Thank you very much for those of you who follow this channel. In this channel, we are going to learn Dinka language day by day. That is the end. Dornyali Kawek, Kuyania. God bless you all. Happy Sunday to all of you. Nyali Kawek, Kuyania. Bye bye. Bye. William Ajak Malek Deng.